Yeah.
Go hard today.
The past is the
Can't
past, you
worry
know?
about the past, cause that was yesterday.
It's a new day, bro.
I'ma put it on
My
the
day.
line, cause it's
You gotta
my
do it
time.
now.
Oh man, I'm so tired. Holy freaking crap. I'm so done. Oh, I think my mom's here. I gotta go. Hey. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired.
Hey Mary, what's up?
I'm so tired.
Have you tried Lightning Spark?
What's lightning spark?
It's a new energy drink that they just made that helps you regain energy at a faster rate.
How do you know it works?
Well, because it has sugar, spice, everything nice, and ingredient X. Ingredient X is a new element that they just created about 5 months ago. It increases your fuel capacity and makes you faster.
Oh, that's cool.